come and see. You fi come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. Okay, this is DeFi bully. Today I'm gonna do a quick update about this lucky 777, the lucky sevens. All right, now in this video I'm gonna talk about the KYC and the docs, the upcoming AMA, and the official launch dates and pre-sale dates. I gotta get the information out to the people. I'm over here sipping on a dragon. It's a stout like the new age Guineas. Yeah, I remember Guineas. Now Dragon is running the place. So, but before I deep dive into this, please go to the YouTube channel. You know what time it is. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like this video. And I already told y'all I'm changing my name to Notification Bell NASA. So don't sleep on me. Don't sleep. All right. So let me run over these. Now these are directly from the creator, Super 7. All right. Now it says, let's talk about KYCs and security as a whole. I'm just doing a quick run through for you guys that don't feel like reading and don't feel like going through this. All this information will be on the Discord. I'll put a link down below for that, as well as I believe some of this is also on their Telegram group, but it seems more organized here to me. All right, it says, so I was approached by a startup KYC company called Veritas DeFi. They offered me a discount on their services because they're relatively new and wanted to build up the name build a name for themselves. Knowing the current climate of KYCs and DeFi, I was a bit hesitant on the offer because there has been a lot of issues with KYCs recently. However, after a long conversation with their founder, Veritas Mitch, let me click that. There you go, right there. I decided that the Veritas KYC was the right KYC for us. On the third KYC since inception, on their third KYC since inception. All right, Veritas had a KYC project rug. Instead of giving us the usual run around a bush answer and these KYC companies tend to give, Veritas Mitch tracked down the scammers and reported them to the authorities. To me, this spoke volumes in Veritas, DeFi, and what they're building. Okay, so basically what Super 7 is saying, that he was approached by this company, a KYC company, and he just had a little faith in them. He was a little hesitant at first, and then he decided to go with them. With that being said, I'm proud to announce that both that's Super 7, and Lucky Dev, which is I believe the next dev for the Lucky Sevens, are KYC'd by Veritas. The KYC include full legal name, address, recorded Zoom call, 2 forms of ID, and 2 forms of social media. I know some people are going to be hesitant since KYC has recently been proven to be a sore spot in DeFi, so I decided to dox myself to Crypto Truth Bomb. All right, I believe Crypto Truth Bomb is the YouTube channel that he goes around and he pretty much just verifies everything for people so that the community knows if they're legit or not. So they said that he doxed himself to Crypto Truth Bomb. A big issue with KYC is that investors want a rug pull scammer to be publicly doxed, but the law prohibits this from happening. To provide an extra layer of clarity, I have given Truth Bomb the okay to release my full name and social medias if there's any form of rug pulls in this that would take place. So that's actually a double precaution right there. So if anything does happen, regardless of what may happen by the law, Crypto Truth Bomb will drop all the information so we could go about doing the things ourselves. Okay, so that's a good step in the right direction, pretty much. Another thing where Super 7 said, what I want to cover, he said a lot of people have been DMing him about issues relating to LockPay's contract, and we've seen what's been going on with LockPay. The majority of concerns has been about the contract sales and the transfer tax. And I also spoke to Super 7 about the transfer taxes and what they plan on doing, especially in light of what's been going on with LockPay and so forth. Although I do think the other projects like LockPay will actually reach their what should I say, floor and then move back up. but it is good to catch it early so you never have to deal with these problems. So like I said, I did ask about this as well. All right, so let's go back into this. The contract sales will be looked into by myself and Lucky Dev. We do not want to create unnecessary sell pressure from these sales. The transfer tax is something we can put to a vote. All right, so they wanted the community to help decide how the transfer taxes should be. So if you would like the transfer tax to stay 12%, put a heart. If you would like it to be 20%, put a thumbs up. If you would like the transfer tax to be 25%, put a muscle, a bicep. So if you would like the transfer tax to be 30%, this hearts, caring emoji. And if you would rather the tax be 50%, put eyeballs. And finally, if you want the transfer tax to be at 80%, put a brain. And as you can see from what I'm looking at, it looks like the brain is getting most of it. So people don't want to deal with that transfer tax issue at all. And I cannot blame them. I'm invested in LockPay, and I seen what happened with that. And it's a little disappointing, but you know, that's just the way of the world. Do your own research, people. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going over this so you know and so I know. Okay? I still got faith in those other projects like I said. But it's always good to get in early, and Lucky 7 looked like an opportunity for a lot of us to get in early, so the hype is real. All right, final announcement. I promise there will be an AMA May 31st, 7 p.m. Damn, I'm not sure what time zone that is. I will find out the time zone and comment it down below. If you guys know down below, help the people out. If it's UTC time, put it down below, whatever the case may be. In 4 days with Austin Clark. Stay tuned for more details. And the information will be on the Telegram group as well as the Discord. All right, you see people dropping videos. I got a couple videos on this. I was one of the first people to do videos. And shout out to my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. The link will be down below. Drippa, D Drippa, she actually is supposed to be dropping a video on Lucky 7 tonight. At least she told me that. It should be up by the time y'all hearing this. So if you guys, I'll probably link her video down below as well. Okay, so this last one I believe was about the launch dates. I'm very excited to announce our pre-sale date and our launch date. We are so excited for what's to come. The pre-sale will require BUSD instead of BNB, people. So BUSD, you know, that's the stable coin for Binance. Instead of BNB, this change is due to the current market conditions and the unsteadiness with Bitcoin. The pre-sale will be hosted on our site, so it's going to be on the Lucky 7 site. We'll also be hosting small pre-sale with some of the varying influencer VIP groups. Please contact the influencers that you have made YouTube videos about Lucky 7 and ask about their VIP group and if you are interested. Okay, this has been done in an effort to increase our reach across the market and to get marketing content. However, there is no price difference between any of the pre-sales, so all the prices are going to be the same. So regardless who you decide to go with or go through, you guys will be paying the same on a pre-sale. All right. Now I did get a couple wireless spots, not many. I'm not very big. I'm not even monetized, people. I'm just doing what I could do. So the people in my group, we're gonna do something. We're gonna figure out how they're gonna get it and add it to the whitelist spot. I don't want to spend too much time on that. And I believe the white paper is out. The information on the white paper is accurate about pricing and how much will be available on May 31st. Hold on, let me not skip this. Sorry about that, people. Launch date. The whitelist pre-sale will be May 31st at 1700 UTC time. Okay, if you guys need conversions, y'all got Google, y'all can figure it out. Public pre-sale, May 31st at 1800 UTC. And the official launch will be June 1st at 1700 UTC time. Now, this will be with BUSD, and the max per wallet is $1,500. That's US dollars, BUSD. That's 1,500 BUSD. And we all know BUSD is pegged to the US dollar. Okay. The information in the white paper is accurate about the pricing and how much will be available on May 31st. Only thing that does not account for is the private pre-sale, because we are still working on some of the details. The private pre-sale will be small and will be the same price as both whitelist and public. The max of 1,500 BUSD still applies. To reiterate, all prices are the same for all pre-sales. Okay, the private pre-sale is to get some more marketing exposure. Is going to be small hard cap for for that as well, okay? The whitelist presale guarantees you a chance to deposit 1,500 BUSD. After the completion of the whitelist, it is first come, first serve presale. Everyone can only max deposit 1,500 BUSD per wallet. If there's any confusion, please fill out the ticket. We will gladly give you a response. All right. Okay, people. So, Super 7 said have a great weekend. That was from Lucky Dev. Super 7 said have a great weekend. Stay tuned to updates. So like I said, the links will be down below, people. I'm going to keep this nice, short, and sweet. Just want to do a quick update video for you guys. Let y'all know what's going on in this world of DeFi. We know how it is. Is this camera on me? Is this camera on me? And remember, it's not financial advice, people. But let's run it up to financial freedom. The opportunities are here. It's here. But do your own research. And again, I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.